Hello YouTubers, I got a little how-to video. I am putting that Optima battery into my 2012 Razer XP900, and the problem that I'm running into is the battery itself was rubbing on the main computer harness. It was actually sitting on it, so I have made this guy right here that I'm going to weld right there, and as you can see from the grease marks, that's what the battery sits on. It no longer sits on the computer harness, and I'll show you what that looks like. It does actually clear the seat just fine. I can still get my fingers up under it. The seat's actually plastic, so it doesn't conduct electricity anyway. I've also got this Odyssey battery that I'm going to stick in this hole right here. I have to rerun some wires and whatnot, but that should be pretty badass. As far as the XP goes and an Optima battery, that is the only choice that you have, because you can't do anything underneath this is a metal bracket for the rear suspension. So if you're going to put an Optima battery in it, that's the route that you're going to have to go. And all I did was I took a Sawzall and just cut all this crap out. You know, be careful because of your wires and stuff. So, and then also there's going to be another video. I put a whole bunch of lights on this thing, and I made that pretty cool looking thing. So if you got any questions, holla at your boy. Oh, and O'Reilly's let me borrow this empty battery. Now, I had to talk them into it. They seriously wanted to charge me $300 for this empty battery, but I'm such a good customer that they just let me borrow it.